On this slide you can see why Antares Pharma is extremely interesting stock to buy. In 2019 they partnership with Teva and made generic EpiPen. And it is generic because Mylan ruled on this market. And on blue line it is a total market, green line it is Teva, and they conquer market very fast from 6% in 2019 to 58% in second quarter 2021. Teva paying royalties, one-digit royalties to Antares Pharma, and it is extremely interesting. Here you can see some of the products, and they're focusing on injection one, and they own rights for this technology. And actually, if you need to produce some injectable pharmaceutical, you can partnership with ATRS Pharma, and it will be a win-win situation for both companies. Here you can see how they grow, and I think it is amazing. Now they have 43% in proprietary products, 22% partners products, 14% development or some upfront payments, and 21% royalty. I really like their numbers. Testosterone injection, 75% of all commercial lives covered, and it is awesome. Here you can see prescription numbers, and they grow. Here you can see how they use it in endocrinology, primary care, urology, and nurse assistant. Target universe 20,000 urology, endocrinology, rheumatology, and PCP select. 85 representatives, and I think it is a very good number for a small company. Also they have a tablet form, and nocturia affects 40 million adults in the United States. Already FDA approved pharmaceutical. NOCDURNA reduced nighttime voids by nearly half, 52% on women and 43% on men. Adrenal crisis rescue, ATRS 1902, and from all tests it works. And then we have lots of partnerships with Teva, AMAC, Idorsia, and Pfizer. And I think EpiPen injection from Teva disrupt this market, 58% share in 2 years. It is awesome. Silatagrel for Idorsia, and they have a fast track designation. It is awesome, and it can be really helpful for myocardial infarct, and it is quite big problem all over the world. Pipeline looks really nice, and they can add $20 million here, $20 million here, and $20 million here, and it will be plus $60 million in revenue, and we can just remember this number. Plus maybe in 1 year we will see a Pfizer injector. Probably it will add more revenue. Here how they perform, and it's quite good. Close to $200 million planned in 2021, and a really nice growth. It will be like 20 to 30%, 20% again in 2020. Now they're profitable, gross margin 62%, and they spent lots of money on research, and it is absolutely good stuff for small growth stock. Revenue increased 39%, net income 100%. I already filmed about this stock 2 years ago, and it was a little bit risky previously, but now I think it is time to buy it, and it was $3.2. Now they cost $3.9. Guru Focus value expect $8 in 2024, but I think it will be much faster, and I think it is not only 100% upside. I think they will reach $12 faster than in 2024. because now the stock costs extremely cheap, price to earning only 10, and you can see sales $171 million, income 64. It is mind-blowing numbers, and I think in the end of the 2021 it will be $200 million and something like $80 million in income. From my point of view, normal price to earning for this stock something like 20 price to earning, like forward one. Nothing suspicious on a coffin, low amount of short interest. They dilute shares, but I think it is not super fast. 166 million versus 169. It's just bonuses. As a resume, I think we have a profitable, high margin company with a long-term focus, with lots of money on research and development spendings, and I think we can double our money easily for the next 2 or 3 years. Previously I recommended to you a photo stock and it increased by 300%. Subscribe to this channel to make money.